All stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
So many dumb ways to die.
Rapper now, I got rich with my brothers, I'm forever rocking out, rolling, rocking, rolling, rocking out, rolling, rocking, rolling, rocking out, rolling, rocking.
What's going down with the Run It Up gang? Back again with a banger video, y'all. Like I said, y'all, I'm trying to get more consistent, y'all. So keep hitting that like button and keep subscribing. You feel me? Give me the 1,500 subscribers. Like I said, I'm gonna do a giveaway. Like I said, y'all comment down. What do y'all want? Y'all want gift cards? Y'all want cash money on Cash App? What do y'all want? I'm trying to get what y'all want. You feel me? Since y'all giving me what I want. You feel me? But hey though, we on the way to the meat spot, to this meet right now, man. We about to go up there, show y'all what type of cars out there and shit. And I think they gonna be out there. They gonna do intersections tonight though, so that should be lit. You feel me? So hey, I'm gonna get up with y'all when we get to that meat spot. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Road to 1,500, man. Time to go already. First meat spot. They're probably talking to him. Let's go over there. Big where the ring go.
Come here with this. Like this. That'd be dumb, right?
Yeah, we're gonna try our best to get them there.
Yeah, those are at the city ordinance that pertain.
Okay.
Don't record that.
Hey, 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 hey. You can watch me popping out. This is same me from school. Yeah, bitch, I'm a rapper now. I got rich with my brothers. I'm forever rocking out, rolling, rocking, rolling. Rocking out, rolling, rocking, rolling, rocking out, rolling, rocking, rolling, rocking out. Walk inside the bank, this shit look like I robbed it walking out. Really rich, you the niggas on the robbers talking about what don't make me put this bag on you, make them.
Zay, can you turn that up a little bit?
Yeah, brick on copper, brick of ice, cause we young and turned off better well. Nigga ain't turned up like he posted from 9
That bitch cold. My mama did. Bitch. Alright, y'all, we at the next spot, man. We at the first little sliding spot, y'all, man. But I'm gonna show y'all some of these cars that's spinning, man. Comment down below who y'all think the best slider is, though. Let's see, you feel me? Who the best slider out here, though. We don't really got nobody here sliding yet, though. But hey, it's a big parking lot, though. I don't think we should really have nothing this big. I'm gonna get with y'all when we get some sliders out there, though. Ain't nobody out there. About to swing your shit? Yeah. Let me see you go, man. Your turn. Oh, hey, walk that thing out there, man. For the vlog, man. For the vlog.
I was bad
Go crazy though. You can get it for the vlog too, man. Oh yeah, man. our way to the intersection, y'all, man. It's about to get lit, y'all, man. Let's see what they talk about, man.
I'm driving a million been tangled like I don't love my life. I'm in that thing shifting and I'm lane switching. Bitches big I'ma stand on straight business. Looking on niggas ass like Blake Griffin. He keep talking throw on leave his face missing. Ladies all white, these ain't no Hirachi. Back in the 50 flat. I gotta take this. All my bitches mad at me. Valet park designer. Jules fiending, yo. Niggas hating, yo. Jules fiending, yo. Phone ringing, yo. Niggas hating, yo. Jury bleeding, yo. I was ready for the school. Now I'm trying to see. Just walked out the lavish store, pay a shoe, $12.50. You wanna boss up your life? All you gotta do is get in with me. I don't even pay to get in the club. Presidential leaving the club. We ain't stopping at no lights. You wanna be a boss? You gotta live wrist on froze. Throw a bag of ice. I'm driving the Bentley Bentayga.
One hour later.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all, man. Bangers on the way, like I said, man. Give me the 15K subscribers, man. Hey, like I said, we doing a giveaway, y'all. Y'all comment down below what kind of giveaway y'all want. And my bad, y'all. Just like bright as hell. I'm tired right now. It's 1:30 in the morning. Look at my wife over there sleep, looking crazy. Ready to go in the house and go to sleep. You good? We had a fun night. Let's rate that car meet 1 to 10.
10.
That car meet was lit. Hey, if y'all want more content like this or like different type of content, and I wear white pants, they turn brown. Damn, I wore the wrong thing today, huh? Hey though, like, comment, subscribe, giveaway at 1,500 subscribers, man. Tell your mama, your sister, your daddy, man. We can give away money. Well, whatever y'all want. Gift cards, cash app, well, Xbox cards, whatever y'all want, you feel me? But hey, like, comment, subscribe.
Rapper now, I got rich with my brothers, I'm forever rocking out, rolling, rocking, rolling, rocking out, rolling, rocking, rolling, rocking out, rolling, rocking.